Hello, respected teacher. A very good morning. I am Raiz Ahmed, studying triple second year. Today I am here to present my presentation. My topic is about three-phase transformer. First of all, what is a transformer? Transformer is a static device that transfers electrical energy from one electrical circuit to another electrical circuit through the medium of magnetic field and of course without a change in frequency. It is the core diagram of single phase transformer. Now let us look upon the three phase transformer. Generation, transmission and distribution of electrical energy is invariably done through the use of three phase system because of its several advantages over single phase system. As such, a large number of three phase transformers are induced in a three phase energy system for stepping up or stepping down the voltage as required. For three phase up or down transformation, 3 units of one phase transformer or 1 unit of three phase transformer may be used. When 3 identical units of single phase transformer are used, the arrangement is usually called a bank of 3 transformer or a 3 phase transformer. A single 3 phase transformer former unit may employ 3 phase core type construction or 3 phase cell type construction. A single unit 3 phase core type transformer uses a 3-limbed core, 1 limb for each phase winding. Actually, each limb has the LV winding placed adjacent to the laminated steel core and the HV winding is placed over the LV winding. This is the 3-phase diagram, core type circuit diagram. Let us look upon 3-phase transformer connections. Types of connection. 3-phase transformer may have the following 4 standard connections as follows. Firstly, star to delta type connection. Second is delta to star type connection. Third is delta to delta type connection, and last but not the least is star to star type connection. This is the symbol for 3-phase transformer and delta star connections. First, let us look upon star to delta type connection. The primary winding is star connected with grounded neutral and the secondary winding is delta connected. This is used in step down transformer at the transmission line. The ratio of secondary to primary line voltage is 1 by root 3 times the transformation ratio. There is 30-degree shift between the primary and secondary line voltages. This is the circuit diagram of star to delta type connection. Now let us look upon the second type connection, that is delta to star type connection or delta to Y type connection. The primary winding is connected in delta and the secondary winding is connected in star with neutral grounded. Thus, it can be used to provide 3-phase 4-wire services. This type of connection is mainly used in step-up transformer. The ratio of secondary to primary line voltage is root 3 times the transformation ratio. There is 30-degree shift between the primary and secondary line voltages. Now let us look upon the circuit diagram of delta to star type connection. Third type of connection is delta to delta type connection. This connection is generally used for large low voltage transformer. Number of required phase per turn is relatively greater than that for the star to star type connection. The ratio of line voltages on the primary and the secondary side is equal to the transformation ratio of the transformer. This connection can be used even for unbalanced loading. System can continue to operate in open delta connection even in the case of failure. The circuit diagram of delta to delta type connection. The last type of connection is star to star type connection. Star to star type connection is generally used for small high voltage transformers. Number of required turns per phase is reduced. Thus, the amount of insulation required is also reduced. The ratio of line voltages on the primary side and the secondary side is equal to the transformation ratio of the transformer. Line voltage on both sides are in phase with each other. This connection can be used only if the connection load is balanced. This is the circuit diagram of star to star type connection. Parallel operations of transformers. What is a parallel operation of transformers? When we connect the primary windings of the two transformers to a common supply voltage and the secondary winding of both the transformer to a common load. This type of connection of transformer is said to be the parallel of operation of transformers. Single phase transformer in parallel operation. Necessarily conditions for parallel operations of single phase transformer, and also desirable conditions for parallel operation of single phase transformers. First, let us look upon necessary conditions. The transformer must have the same polarities. The transformer should have equal turn ratios. Desirable conditions as follows: voltage at full load across transformers. Internal impedance should be equal. The ratio of their winding resistance to reactance should be equal for both transformers. These conditions ensures the both transformer operates at the same power factor. Let us look upon three-phase transformer in parallel operation. The polarities of the transformer should be the same, identical primary and secondary voltage rating. Impedance inversely proportional to the kVA ratings. Identical X by R ratios in the transformer impedance. The phase sequence of the transformer must be identical. The primary and the secondary voltage of all the transformer connected in parallel must have the same phase shift.